This intelligent central control panel is the latest product of our company, which is specially built for smart home in the area of Internet of Things, IoT, with various home management functions, switch device, panel device, scene control, network management functions, etc. The panel is the control center of intelligent things, bringing users a new experience for smart home. This intelligent, central controlled panel integrates all panels, Zigbee gateway, and so on, which can easily realize scene linkage and have multiple control methods. Also, it supports multiple devices to connect at the same time and easy to install. What's more, one panel covers all functions of switches and panels. Firstly, we install the device according to the installation guide. Turn on the power. Start the device. And connect to the network. According to the guidance of product screen, then we can connect the network through app. After the network is successfully connected, we can manipulate the device or sing on the app. And we can also add Zigbee device. Above is our product display and part of the function display of this intelligent central control panel. If you want to know more product information, please kindly contact us. Thank you.